Dan Gilbert's Jungle Bungle Hummingbird game. We have 8 rectangular tiles and we need to place them together to form a square. But we make sure that all of the pictures match. Hundreds of possibilities, but only one correct solution. Let's see if we can do it. And first look at the tile. Looks like we have 4 different birds. I'm going to say a green one. Yes, we have another green one, but the tail is different color. Make 2. We have a brown one. Looks like this one like that, this one like that, and we have this one. Like 4 different birds. Make a square, we have different possibility. We can make like that, and I can make a square. Or we can maybe put a square in the middle and tile around like that. It's also a possibility. Okay, let's see which bird we can match which one. Okay, this one needs a blue tail. Let's see if I have a blue tail here. I got a blue tail here like that. I need one like that. But I don't think I have a body that can go with that one. Let me see. I got that body, but not here. None of them. Okay, that will be not a solution. Let's see if we can find 2 that can go together. No. Oh no. 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 Oh, no. Definitely not. That one, no. Neither. And neither. Okay, that will be not. Let me see with that one. Yeah, that one can work. These 2 are correct. Okay. Now, let's see if we can find one. I can go that way. No. Yeah. Yes, it's just more try each piece. I don't think there is another logic. Just try all of them. Okay, like that, no. But if I make one like that, I got a possibility with that one. With this one, I make a second. Not that one. Not that one. This one too. It's good. Okay. 3 possibility if I put that time like that. Let's see if I can find another one here. Okay. That one has a blue tail. I got a blue tail here, but I don't think. Oh, like that is not good. Okay. Blue tail. No. Work here, but not there. Ooh. Okay, no. Not that. Is this one working? No. And this one? No. Okay, maybe this one is not correct. Okay, I'm going to try with another one. I'll try with this one. Okay. Okay. This one No, that one is not correct. Okay. Is this one? No, that one is not correct. Okay, like that, no. Like that, no. No. And I'm going to take a few time. Ah, that one work. Okay. These two are working. Okay, now let me see if we can find one going that way. I need the body for that one on the side. I don't have that. I have one here and body here, but here I need a head. That does not work. Oh, here it's working. Body, body, oh, and that. Okay. Great. Now I'm going to try to find the one coming here. If the other tiles are correctly placed. Yeah, not on this one. Maybe this one. That's not correct. Like that, maybe. Oh, yes, okay. That's good. Okay, if all still correct, the two other are going to go like that. If we are correct, let me see. That tile can go there. And this one, yes, done. And the puzzle is solved. Was not too difficult. Donc Dan Gilbert, Jungle Bungle, the Hummingbird game.